it's me, I'm with.
Memo, how you guys doing?
Okay, so today we're gonna play a game. It's called the Toilet Flush. And this is it. It's a restroom. I mean a toilet. Like it said.
Wait, there's something there.
So I already know how to do this. So I'm gonna go get this ready. So I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this over here. Can you hold it like that?
Wait, there's something clogging this. We need like a pencil.
It's okay, you don't have, we don't wear it. Just put it. So then we're just gonna go that up. So it's all the way up to the line. Like that. Then we're just gonna close that. Okay, and we're gonna play it here.
Yeah, so
But-
she's going first because she's the YouTuber. I'm just a guest.
You have to sit right here because the phone's like right there. So I'm gonna show you how to do this before we play. So you have it, you open it, and then you spin. And let's see, it went to like 1,
Two or three.
Either went to 1,
So she's gonna
2, or
spin?
3. So whenever you stop, whenever you spin and it has a number, you're just gonna flush this all the way down. And then it's gonna come out through there.
Okay.
So that's how you do it. So rock, paper, scissors, whoever goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You go first.
So I go first. He's gonna hold the camera.
Yes, I am, guys.
Oh. So I'm gonna spin this.
One
So
flush.
then put it to my face to see if it was better.
Did it squirt you?
No.
Here. Lucky.
So now
My
it's
turn. I gotta close it for right now. Spin it. 1. Middle, right?
No, 2.
No. It's
Look,
literally on the middle.
look.
Amory, it's in the middle.
No, look,
You moved it. You just moved it.
by an accident.
Yeah, but it was in the middle. It was
Whatever, just spin it. You know you got 2.
No, I got middle.
Whatever.
1.
Oh wait, is it 1? No, it's in the middle. Look.
Alright,
Oh, no.
now.
Just make. So we got 1. So now I'm gonna do it. Okay, I just put the 1 and put that.
The number. How much is the number? 2.
The number is 2.
Okay, let's see if she gets splattered. Not the first time. You got splattered?
No.
You got 2. You only went once.
Oh.
Matza got close it because someone pooped. Remember when you had the brown slime? Please not 3. 2! What?
Did they get you?
No.
I'm a bomb.
It's good. I told you.
Probably because of this.
I know, probably supposed to squirt.
No, it squirts from there.
I know, but like, it's probably clogged. We need a plunger.
It actually came with a plunger and toilet paper. Okay, so now it's gonna be my turn.
Go. Nah, go. Spin it hard.
I know, that's why. So I got 1. And then I'm gonna open the toilet.
Yeah, it's because of that thing. I mean,
Oh no.
I would have got squirted. Thank you, ma'am.
I didn't even get squirted. So now it's his turn and he's gonna.
2. I got squirted the second time.
Okay, so now he's gonna
I
get
got squirted the second time.
a bad reliever.
Nah,
It's warm.
it's warm.
I got middle. 2.
It squirted. I felt the water come at me. I had felt the water come at my finger.
Is this fun?
Yes, really fun. I like it.
So it's the water.
Come on, come on. Two. Dude, none of us has got 3. Oh, it squirted.
Badly.
No.
But okay, guys, look at his face.
It's your turn.
Did this better in your nose?
Huh?
Did this better in your face? Wait. Let me get his good
3.
spit.
Oh, none of us has got 3. That's good. Can I get back? Scoot up, Emery. Don't go back. Here you go, madam.
Because I just did poop.